Okay, so question 8. Alright, so the graph on the coordinate diagram below shows the relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius in degrees. So you've got Fahrenheit on the y-axis, Celsius on the x. The axes do not start at 0, 0. They're just pointing that out there. So you can see that it's starting at 84.29, roughly. Okay, so for part A and A1 and A2, they want you to show your work on the diagram. So you should use the diagram for that. Okay, so they want you to convert the normal temperature for an adult is 37, you can see here. So 37 is there. They want you to write that in Fahrenheit. Okay, so if we go up here and plot our line, okay, so Fahrenheit number is 98 point something. Looks about 3/4 way up that line, so we're going to say 98.7. Okay, so 98.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Now temperature above 100.4 Fahrenheit is a high temperature. Write this in degrees. So now they're asking you to translate from 100.4, which would be, so that's 100.5, so slightly underneath that would be 100.4. So to bring that across here, and you'll get a figure of about 38 in there. Okay, so 38 degrees C. The point S is marked on the graph. Point S is marked on the graph. Estimate the coordinates. Okay, so we want to go back up and look at it. Oops, sorry. I want to go back up and look at where S is. So it's definitely on 32 and it's on 89 point. 89.6, I'm going to say, slightly above halfway. So 32 is the X because that's the Celsius. What did I say for 89.6? Okay, so that's what they're looking for there. C. So these points are also on the graph of the line. Use these 2 points to work out the slope. Okay, so we want to use the formula which is in the log tables. So we should label these first. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And the formula is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So that is going to be 86 minus 95 all over 30 minus 35, which will give me minus 9 all over minus 5. So if you divide 5 into minus 5 into minus 9, you're going to get 1.8, and it'll be positive. So that's your slope of the graph there. Okay, so part D. So the table gives 2 inequalities in T, temperature in degrees Celsius, and description of the two inequalities in T. Complete the table by filling missing description and inequality. So they've done one for you. So temperature is less than 36 degrees Celsius. T is less than 36. So what you need to do is translate this into English and translate that and the last one into maths. So we'll do that one quickly. So this is the opposite of the one above. So it's t is greater than 38. Okay, so this one is a double barrel one. There's two parts to it. So the temp is greater than 36 and less than 38. Okay, so that's all they're looking for in there. The last one then is graph the inequality t is less than 36 on the number line below, where t is an element in the real numbers. Okay, so we know that it's less than 36. So it's not less than equal to, so it's got to be below that. So the symbol for that is, so first what we'll do is we'll put arrows here. So we're going to have a line going all the way back to 36. And we'll put a circle around that to indicate that 36 itself is not part of it. So anything below 36 is allowed. Okay, so that's the answer there.